Do not dilly-dally, coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manojlovic. Today I'm working some side dish magic. 4 ingredients, plus salt and pepper to create something that is so tasty, it is our easy bean side dish. Now, talking about easy and tasty, we've got lots of easy and tasty things available on our dedicated website. So at the end of this video, head to weekendatthecottage.com. Please subscribe to our website. Same thing, when this video is done, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And then finally, we're a pretty social bunch here at Weekend at the Cottage. So look for us on your favorite social media platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Off the top, I talked about dilly-dallying. The only dilly thing in this recipe is fresh dill. I'm taking a bunch of fresh dill and roughly chopping it. You're gonna need a 1/4 cup for the recipe. You can set it to the side. Next up, the beans. I went to my local farmer's market. They had a pint of green, a pint of yellow, and I asked them to combine the two. I have 1 pint of yellow and green beans mixed. Nice color combinations. To begin, I'm taking those beans, I'm trimming off the end, but I'm leaving the tip. I love the look of them. Once they're prepared, I'm placing them into a medium-sized pot filled with cold water. Now we're gonna cook those beans. We're heading to stovetop. Place the pot on, turn the heat onto high. While it's coming to a boil, head back to your work surface, grab a bowl, fill it with water, add a couple of trays of ice. More about that in a second. Back to stovetop. As soon as those beans come to a boil, set your timer. A minute later, your beans are cooked. Now we strain the beans, bring them over to your work surface and place them into that bowl of ice water. You can move them around with your hands. This is gonna stop the beans from cooking. Now we strain away the cold water, bring your beans back to your work surface. We're gonna chop them up for our side dish, about 1-inch pieces, cut them on an angle. Great presentation. Place all of your beans into a large bowl. Now check this out. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. We're adding the juice from half a lemon, brightens the flavor. Toss in that chopped dill, smells so delish. Now we're gonna add a sprinkle of kosher salt, a sprinkle of black pepper, 2 spoons. We're gonna toss, and this easy bean side dish is done. Now I'm gonna suggest you enjoy this with your favorite meat or poultry or vegetarian main, or you can enjoy it the way I discovered. How about you take our sweet and spicy Asian salmon onto a plate? I'm gonna add a nice helping of our very tasty fall harvest salad. Then be generous and finish the plate with this easy bean side dish. It is so delicious, just saying. Okay, I'm gonna try this now, but you get going and make it. I know you're gonna love it. Till next time. Oh yeah, so good, so fresh. Oh, beanie, love it. Dilly dilly.